How to properly inject and dose Tirzepatide at home. Injecting and dosing your Tirzepatide prescription at home is straightforward when you follow the proper steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Gather the necessary supplies. You'll need your Tirzepatide vial, a clean, sterile syringe with needle, and an alcohol swab. Make sure all your materials are within reach before you begin. 2. Prepare the injection site. Choose an appropriate intact skin site, usually the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. Ensure the area you select is clean and free of any irritation, redness, swelling, or signs of infection. Use the alcohol swab provided to clean the skin at the injection site to prevent infection. 3. Prepare the medication. Clean the top of your Tirzepatide vial to make sure it is free of particles. Draw up the prescribed dose into the syringe, ensuring no bubbles remain in the syringe. This is usually between 10 and 25 units. Refer to your dosing card/guide provided by your provider. You might have also been given special instruction depending on how long you have been using the class of medications. Please follow your unique recommended dosing guide. 4. Inject the medication. Pinch the skin at your chosen injection site to elevate it slightly. Insert the needle at a 45-degree angle and then slowly depress the plunger to inject the full dose of Tirzepatide. Make sure to inject the medication slowly and steadily to ensure full absorption. Dispose of supplies. Place the used needle or syringe in a designated sharps container for safe disposal. Never reuse needles or syringes to prevent contamination or infection. Starting dose. Start between 10 to 25 units, equivalent of less than 2.5 milligrams your first week. This allows your body to gradually adjust to the medication. Dose titration. Increase the dose gradually based on your healthcare provider's recommendations and guidance. Do not increase your dose if you are experiencing any side effects such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, burping, dizziness, lightheadedness, blurry vision, or shaking. Timing of injections. Administer Tirzepatide on the same day of the week and at approximately the same time each week to maintain consistent levels in your body. Missed doses. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as possible, but no later than 3 days after the missed dose. Then resume your regular weekly schedule. Always follow your healthcare provider's specific instructions and consult them if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.